Hey folks, welcome to AE Rishabh here. So in today's video, we are going to have a look at the new Apache RTR 204V. 204V is a little similar to the Draken X21 concept, which was launched in the Auto Expo 2014. The new RTR 200 looks different, but not dramatically different from the previous models. As compared to the previous models, even the 4V has got these new neat looking white daytime running lights. The side profile of the bike is now more aggressive and appealing. It may look like that some body features from the previous versions have been mixed with some new ones, as some bits is taken from the Dragon concept. In terms of braking, front and rear wheels comes with better disc brakes, 270mm for the front and 240mm for the rear. Whereas for the new Apache, we will get an option of Pirelli tires with almost 10,000 rupees extra. Though usually for the suspensions, which is common in most of the bikes, the front uses standard telescopic forks which is painted golden, whereas a monoshock suspension has been used for the rear, and the bike is lifted up with 180mm of ground clearance. The 10-spoke wheels look amazing. Other dimensions includes its overall length, which is 2050mm, width of 790mm and stands tall at 1015mm. According to its comfort, 204V offers split seat with a material which will help you grip, and obviously the Batman logo shaped handles for the passenger sitting behind. The center console offers different modes including a lap timer, high speed mode, odometer, trip meter, low fuel warning, high beam indicator and the neutral light. The tail light is the signature for all the Apaches, with letter U-shaped tail light which is almost same in all the models. The chiseled tank with those gorgeous shrouds and the underbelly cowl and an offset filler cap makes it look sporty. Apache RTR 204V presents us with a lot of options to go with. Power comes from a 198cc 4-stroke single-cylinder oil-cooled engine that comes with Ram Air Assist, which is the first in segment, which is further available in two options, which is carbureted and fuel injector versions. Here we have the carbureted version, which produces around 20.7 bhp of power at 8500 rpm and 18.1 Nm of torque at 7000 rpm. TVS claims its top speed to reach around 128 kmph, but they have restrained the transmission scenario by decreasing it to a 5-speed gearbox from the 6-speed ones. My verdict on this bike is that it speaks for itself. Riding quality is amazing, the body posture for riding is perfect. It is obviously a value for money bike with great features and a lot of variants available. If you have any queries in your mind, write them down in the comment box below. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.